Samsung is working on a major upgrade for its Now Bar feature, One UI, and it's expected to roll out by the end of this year. If you haven't used the Now Bar yet, here's a quick idea of what it does. It's a row of interactive cards that appears on your lock screen. First introduced in One UI 7.0, which is based on Android 15, the Now Bar lets you view and control things like music, timers, and calls without needing to unlock your phone. It's a small feature that brings a lot of convenience. Whether you're in a rush or just want quick access to simple tools, the Now Bar saves time. But despite how useful it sounds, it hasn't become very popular. The main reason? It only works with a limited number of apps, just 20 at the moment, and most of those are Samsung's own apps. But that's about to change. According to Samsung's official device experience guide for the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7, the number of apps compatible with the Now Bar will increase from 20 to 35 by the end of 2025. That's a solid jump. And even though Samsung hasn't shared which apps are being added, this move shows that Samsung wants to make the Now Bar a core part of the Galaxy experience. This wider app support could completely transform the way we use the Now Bar. Imagine being able to control your favorite third-party music apps, keep an eye on your food delivery, or follow live sports updates all from your lock screen. You wouldn't need to open the app at all. That kind of functionality would make the Now Bar not just convenient, but powerful. A big reason why this expansion is even possible is Android 16. Google's latest software update includes a new API tool that allows developers to create apps that can show live information directly on the lock screen or in the status bar. This system-wide feature gives apps a way to keep you updated in real time, even when your phone is locked. As of now, Samsung hasn't yet added this Android 16 tool to One UI 8. But if they do, it would take the Now Bar to the next level. It would no longer be limited to Samsung apps. Developers from all kinds of apps could use the Now Bar to show live updates, making it far more useful than it is today. There's another big improvement coming, especially for Samsung's foldable phone users. In One UI 7.0, when the Now Bar showed up on the cover screen, the smaller screen on the outside of foldables like the Galaxy Z Flip, you could only view the information. If you tried to interact with it, the phone would automatically open the full app or its widget. That's changing in One UI 8. Now, the Now Bar will work the same way on both the cover screen and the main screen. That means you'll be able to interact with those cards, tap, swipe, control right from the cover screen. No need to unfold your phone or open a full app just to pause a song or check a timer. It's a small upgrade, but it really improves how convenient and flexible the phone feels, especially when you're using it with one hand or while on the move. Although Samsung hasn't released the complete list of new supported apps yet, it's clear they're moving in the right direction. More compatibility, real-time updates, and better functionality across both displays all point toward one thing: Samsung wants the Now Bar to be a key feature of One UI going forward. This also fits into a larger shift we're seeing across the smartphone industry. Phone makers are focusing more and more on giving users faster access to important information. Whether it's Apple with Live activities on iOS or Google's own additions to Android, everyone is trying to improve the lock screen experience. Samsung is no exception. So what can Galaxy users expect in the next few months? If you're planning to get the Galaxy Z Flip 7 or any other device that gets One UI 8, you can look forward to a much more interactive and smarter lock screen. The Now Bar will no longer feel like an extra Samsung-only feature. It has the potential to become a major part of Android if Samsung embraces Android 16's live update tools. That would open the door for popular apps like Spotify, WhatsApp, Uber, and even Google Maps to show real-time updates on your lock screen via the Now Bar. You'd get important info instantly without even unlocking your device. While we still don't have all the details, one thing is clear: Samsung is investing in making the Now Bar more powerful, more accessible, and more useful in your daily life. With these upcoming upgrades, the Now Bar might finally become one of the most valuable features of One UI.